Continuation of indicators, an overview and effective usage. Art. Bollinger Bands, Squeeze and Breakout Strategy. How to use. Look for periods of low volatility, bands squeezing, followed by a sharp price movement, breakout. Effective use. Predicts potential big price moves after periods of consolidation. No. Fibonacci. What it is, uses mathematical ratios to identify potential support and resistance levels. Usage. Draw Fibonacci retracement levels from swing lows to highs. Common retracement levels are 38.2%, 50% and 61.8%. Effective use. Identify potential reversal levels and price targets. Thus, pivot points. What it is, based on the previous day's high, low, and close. Usage. Support and resistance levels are calculated. Price above pivot indicates bullish sentiment, below pivot indicates bearish sentiment. Effective use. Determine potential reversal and breakout points. 11. ADX, Average Directional Index. What it is, measures trend strength without indicating direction. Usage. Values above 25 indicate a strong trend. Effective use. Confirm trend strength before entering a trade. 12. ATR, Average True Range. What it is, measures market volatility. Usage. High ATR indicates high volatility, low ATR indicates low volatility. Effective use. Adjust stop loss and take profit levels based on volatility. 13. VWAP, Volume Weighted Average Price, and AVWAP, Adaptive VWAP. What it is, calculates average price considering volume. Usage. Identifies fair value and potential reversal points. Effective use, especially useful for day trading. 14. Super Trend. What it is, a trend following indicator that provides signals similar to moving averages. Usage. Buy signal when the indicator is below the price, sell signal when above. Effective use, captures trends and minimizes whipsaws. In summary, the effective use of indicators involves understanding their principles, combining them strategically, and aligning their signals with overall market conditions. Traders often use a combination of indicators to strengthen their decision-making processes and increase the probability of successful trades. Stay tuned for more updates.